Good morning, boys and girls. This is my laptop and this is Winamp, and I'm going to press play. This is a website that is broadcasting internet teletype, and the sound you are hearing is a teletype. The sounds that teletype uses to transfer letters. Now this here is a terminal unit, and we are on. I'm going to plug this in and check it out. Oh look, I have a teletype. Going to turn it on, and this thing is cruising along at 60 words a minute. Everything about teletype is just kind of cool. One of the greatest things about a teletype is how they smell. It smells like oil, and but it smells like old oil. I need to go through and clean this up, which shouldn't be that hard. They make these things pretty easy to disassemble. There's a bolt right there, and the bolt behind there. I don't think I can get it. So there's 4 screws, and you just pull this whole unit out, and you just unplug it. It's a big old plug, something like that. So, super easy to work on. There's probably 1,000 different moving pieces. Back to the terminal unit, and the CRT on this means the crosshatch. And I'm going to shut off the CRT, and then I'm going to put this from normal to standby. Whoa, look at that. Alright. Yay. Each one of those tabs sticking out is a letter. So that thing just hammers away. They made these to run for hours and hours and hours without anybody standing there. You could just leave it unattended, and it would type out all the news. Alright.